This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marianne Windridge. Lakefront Living. CBS 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with 3-car garage in Lake Charles. The popular floor plan features a formal dining room, living room, family room, spacious kitchen, and split bedrooms. Large screened lanai with peaceful lake views. Pool and clubhouse within walking distance. Lake Charles offers a wonderful lifestyle for all ages with over 500 acres of preserves and lakes. Amenities include a manned gate, clubhouse, heated pool and spa, library, media center, lighted tennis/pickleball courts, basketball court, 2 shuffleboard courts, bocce court, horseshoe game, playground, picnic/barbecue areas, jogging, biking, preserves and connecting lakes for electric boats, canoes and kayaks. Located close to shops, restaurants, entertainment complex, the New York Mets spring training stadium, golf courses, movie theaters, and more. Lake Charles has many clubs and activities including water aerobics, Mah Jong, bridge, yoga, art club, Bocce, Bunco, ping pong and more. A great place to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Marianne Windridge at 772-708-5592.